How to Verify Age on Character. AI Step-by-Step Tutorial 2026. Trying to unlock full access on character. AI but getting asked to verify your age. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to complete age verification step by step so you can keep using your account without restrictions. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're covering exactly how to verify your age on character. AI in 2026. This process is important because character. AI now uses age assurance to determine whether users qualify for the full 18-plus experience or the under 18 version of the platform. Let's get straight into it. First, open the official Character AI app on your phone or visit the website at Character AI using your browser. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want to complete the verification process. Second, go to your account settings. On mobile, tap your profile icon, then open Settings. On desktop, click your profile icon in the corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Third, scroll down and look for the Advanced section. Inside Advanced, you should see an option called Verify Age. If you do not see this option yet, make sure your app is updated to the latest version because Character AI says age assurance is rolling out gradually and may not appear for everyone immediately. Fourth, tap Verify Age to begin the process. Character AI uses a trusted third-party provider called Persona for verification. In most cases, you will not need to upload an ID right away. Instead, the system usually starts with a quick live selfie scan to estimate your age. Fifth, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Make sure you're in a well-lit room with your face clearly visible. Keep your camera steady, remove anything blocking your face like sunglasses, and follow the prompts to turn your head if asked. Good lighting makes the process much smoother. Sixth, if the selfie scan cannot confidently confirm that you are 18 or older, Persona may ask for a government-issued ID as a final step. This could be something like a passport, national ID card, or driver's license depending on your country. Most users won't need this step, but it can happen if the selfie result is unclear. Seventh, once verification is complete, you'll be returned to your account automatically. If approved, your account will continue with full access. If the system still marks you as under 18, you may remain on the under 18 experience instead. Pro tip: if the Verify Age button is missing, don't panic. Character AI officially states that age assurance is being released gradually, so not every account gets it at the same time. If there's no pop-up and no Verify Age option in advanced settings, you usually just need to wait and keep your app updated. So to recap, open Character AI, go to Settings, find Advanced, tap Verify Age, complete the selfie verification, and only upload ID if absolutely required. It's a quick process once the option becomes available. If this guide helped you verify your age, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials in 2026, and drop a comment below telling me, did your account use selfie verification only? Or did it ask for ID too? I'd love to know. See you in the next one.